Hello, so this is a quick tutorial on how to get Geogebra. So first, open up your searcher like I just did. We are going to go to self-service, which is that icon there. We open up self-service. We're patient. And then we scroll down until we see Geogebra Classic, and then it says install, so we click the installing button. And you just wait patiently. By the way, if for some reason you can't find self-service on your computer, then you could try to go to the App Store, the Apple App Store, and install it or download it yourself. It should be free. You shouldn't have to pay for anything, or yeah, but you would need an account. So. This is taking longer than I would have thought. Done. So now I should be able to just click open, and if all goes well, you can see it up here. It says Geogebra Classic. Geogebra. I don't need that. I'm going to make this smaller. Oh, this looks like it does on the computer. So I should be able to type my equation up here. Right? And I should be able to do an if statement just like I did before. And then this is where I put my condition. X is less than 4, and then it's going to be the equation x minus 1. And there it is, right over here. I created that little line between 3 and 4. So it works just like the old one does. Okay, good luck.